Not the way they embarrass man for this life, like may your fellow man hold your hand for club. They tell bouncer he's with me. Ah, God. Lebrosika telaha. He's with me. Then you can they double confirm so that they don't go forget you when you want go peace. Because if you peace, if you don't come back, now you're going to tell the bouncer, I'm with him. Oh, God.
Ladies and gentlemen, Benin City, show some love. Make some noise for MC Pashun!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is MC Casimo. I have a lot to say.
They get money.
Hey, God. Benin, what's up? Hey, God. Happy New Year. DJ, you dey fuck up. No as na New Year, where they y'all call me. If I y'all they play, wetin be Christian song. If I play Obile, Obile. Either you play Obile or you play Abina Fokapina, everywhere go high. That they get ginger.
Obli, obli,
Ginger.
obli,
Everywhere ginger. Yeah, killer. Happy New Year. 2025 go rugged. I pity patient dog. Now also go kill him. You see this year, if you knock door, they no open for you. Pass window. Pass window. Cause the country they rugged they go. We there here, Prime Minister of India, come see Tinubu. He come with an assistant. Tinubu come with your assistant. They discuss what they want to do. Prime Minister of India, assistant, carry Bible, they write everything where they say they want to do. Tinubu assistant, no hold Bible, he no hold paper, he no write anything. He knows everything where they talk, they no go do one. If he write, then sack him. If like say no, if they go sack him, oh, you know who you they follow. You just understand in country. When I know what happened for Ghana, everywhere don't rugged do. Ghana sent 12 cripple to Norway for Paralympic sports. Then sleep, wake up, they don't see one cripple. Which year? They don't see one. People who get legs started to find cripple for Norway. Cripple see heaven, then vow never to go back to hell. Government of Ghana sent 5 representatives, but they go investigate where cripple go. When the 5 reach, they lost. Oh God, I beg you. When I know what happened for Abba, woman where they do contribution at job from January to November, collect people money. December, now she says she don't lose memory. Say she know they recognize anybody again. Oh God, I beg you. He say you don't know her husband. They say your husband. I say you don't know. Hey. If my money there with that woman, she go know me. On God, she go know me. I give you money January to November, you know me. December, you lose memory. You go lose your life. They crazy. For this country, Nigeria don't rugged now. Everybody don't know. If you don't travel abroad, you go know what they talk about. Canada, I go open my eye. I see my friend's son account balance. Picking with the 4 years. Money that they pay from the day with them born. Free school till secondary. Picking from the day with them born a country they owe. Nigeria, from the day when they born you they owe. That's why Nigeria now, children with 12 years now, don't they get BP. Our government need to make medicine for BP free. Children get BP. Them and their papa, they under pressure to make them. I visit Canada Zoo. If you see animal, fresh. I see lion. Lion, they speak English. Nah lie. That one, nah lie. But if you see the lion, you find big. Then they give a live goat. As they throw the goat, lion tear and chop. You know, don't go Benin Zoo. Una Zoo, don't go. From far, it's in a dog. Now me they tell the person, why not go put dog for zoo? He said, nah, lion. Meat cost, so he don't lose weight. I say, release him, now lion say, parted them, oh. Now die, oh. Before I come out, give the lion 5,000. May it take seafront. Our government release all animals, make them go back to their parents. Oh. Nigeria no be for zoo. Zoo no go walk here. I say for Jos now, lion where they zoo now don't they lick mango for Jos. You don't read though. You don't go Ibadan Zoo. Ibadan Zoo now go see lion, they chop roasted corn. I swear, I near the lion. Lion asked me whether I get here. I swear, go now. Go Ibadan Zoo, throw corn, you go catch him. It don't read. Everywhere don't tough. Nigeria no get middle class again. No. He said that you're rich or you are poor. And you go to say if you no get money, people no go know. Then no. People know. Go club now. Go club. From far, bouncer go up. Now you go to tell your friend, you tell him about me. Bouncer, no, poverty be like ID card. As they come, they know that they see him. Poverty go, they make you lose stamina. You know if you work out well. That's why they say if you are broke, dress well. You get where you go dress, devil go to make her when they sleep. Dress well. Dressing get attitude, you get power. And they like big man life. Big man go buy motor when he drive this way and they go just press the remote. Just they go. Poor man, he try buy car at the age of 55. First of all, you know they trust remote. Remote too small for you to trust. You buy car after 56 years of your life. You can't depend on one small remote to just do pim, then you they go. No. Poor man, as he reach where they go, he go first use his hand, central lock. Pim. Then he go come down, back up with remote. Pim, pim. Then he go round the car, they check the door one by one, like who want to sacrifice. God, I beg you. Poverty. Poverty bad. Not the way they embarrass man for this life, like may your fellow man hold your hand for club. They tell bouncer, he's with me. Ah, God. He's with me. Then you can't double confirm so that they don't go forget you when you want to go peace. Because if you peace, if you don't come back, now you're going to tell the bouncer, I'm with him. Oh, God. They need to try for Nigeria. That lion own, they need to try release those animals. You know what it be lion? Lion, they powerful. They say no matter how bush do this one, lion no fit chop grass. Lion, they powerful, so they attach unto God name the lion of the tribe of Lebrosicatela. The lion of the tribe of Judah. Nigeria no get middle class again. It's either you rich or you are poor. If you get problem with rich man, you are finished. Because they reserve money for court case. Then you reserve money for your destiny. 2014, me and one big man get problem. I tell the man I will sue you and you will rot in jail. What did they give me moral? 600,000. Lawyer say 150. I give lawyer 80,000 to balance 70. We enter court. I fold leg. I tell my lawyer, fire down. Who are you? Then start case. For my mind, that day I go win. Then the next day the big man go rot in jail. God, I beg you. I no say that they are junkies. They are junkies. 2 years, my money finish. The man was soon. I come to carry me and my lawyer go court. He go buy food for us, give us transport. Hey, God, I beg you. Who sent me? Who are soon? Come carry me for back seat. Like picking where they carry go daycare. I tell my lawyer, Mo beg him, say I don't dey shame. My lawyer say, man, maintain my steeze and composure. Who no get money, they get composure. Beg him. My lawyer say it's too late to fail. Idiot. My lawyer go stay enter court with wig. They say, I put it on you. No put him again. No put him. Come on, Tamo, we go die, oh. No put him, oh. No put him on a die, oh. Come on, Tamo, come on, Tamo. All the one way put in where I do, come on, Tamo. I don't want to get problem with people who get money again. No. Now they find money. Money they give. Bible say money is a defense. No, it ain't be money. Money could just go they fight for you. That's why they say nobody play with small picking passports we come borrow money. Lack of money they make person do like mumu. People will come borrow money as they enter the house. Any picking way they see, they don't carry them. Baby shark, baby shark. I love you.